and welcome back to another large family grocery haul. This week I went into 3 stores and spent over $300. So I have plenty to show you in this week's grocery haul. So if you are ready to head on into it and see what we got, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new here, and don't forget to hit that bell notification on the side so that YouTube notifies you whenever I put up a new video so that you never miss an upload from me. Now let's go ahead and get into the grocery haul. So as usual, I'm just going to go ahead and start the grocery haul over this side. And you guys, I was so bummed because after I went ahead and did this huge stock up grocery haul online, I walked down to the shops with my kids and there is a huge greengrocer grocery store that just opened over there that I had no idea about, and it is full of all these different like cuisines, like Asian and Italian, and just all these really like fancy pastas and things like that. And honestly, it just looked amazing. I can't wait to do a separate grocery haul just on that store. But I did see these jumbo shells there and I had to grab them because I've been wanting to make stuffed shells for such a long time now, and I saw them there for $3.50 and I just got so excited. So I brought a pack of those, so hopefully I can make them up at some point this week. And then from Aldi, I went ahead and got a packet of their Dorito chips to put on our taco soup this week. I also went ahead and grabbed some of their American style peanut butter. Last week I was saying to you guys in my Aldi haul that I was so excited that they had the Bega brand peanut butter so that I didn't have to go to Woolworths for that. I grabbed it in my Aldi haul, and then somebody commented on that haul and said that their American peanut butter is amazing. So I went ahead and grabbed some of that to try this week. I know now I have like 5 tubs of peanut butter, but it's fine. It will all get eaten. We absolutely love peanut butter around here. I also went ahead and grabbed a twin pack of their garlic bread. We just ran out of this, and I've said this before, this is cheaper and better quality, and you get more in these ones than the home brand at Woolworths. So I definitely recommend these ones from Aldi. I also went ahead and grabbed some of their dark chocolate rice cakes for snacks for the kids. They loved these last time. I grabbed 6 of these ravioli packets to stock up, but they refunded me 5 of them, so we only ended up with 1, so that's a bit of a bummer, but I'll just have to stock up on that stuff in the next haul. I also went ahead and grabbed a bunch of fresh fruit and vegetables this week. So I got a big pack of grapes at the back here. My kids did not like the grapes at all the last couple weeks, so they are not for them, they're for me. I am hooked on them now after buying them, so I've just grabbed those for a late night snack for myself. I also went ahead and grabbed 2 punnets of strawberries just for breakfast for the kids. I grabbed a big bag of carrots here, a half of a butternut pumpkin. I grabbed some lettuce, some bananas, a couple sweet potatoes back there, and a couple zucchinis. And then I also grabbed 2 kilos of potatoes and a kilo of apples back here as well. You will see in next week's freezer meal prep sort of how I prep all of that for the week and how I make sure that we're having heaps of like fresh fruit and vegetables in our diet, and what I do if we don't eat them in time and how I freeze them and things like that. So yeah, I will show you in more detail next week sort of how I do all of that. I also stocked up on some cereals that were half price this week. I got 2 boxes of the Milo cereal, and I got 1 box of these Wheat Bix bites for my daughter to try. She's not a cereal fan, so I thought maybe I'll just switch out the cereal and see if this will be interesting to her. I'm hoping she will think those little berry bits in there are chocolate bits and she might just give it a try. I also went ahead and grabbed these this week. I see them all the time over on YouTube cleaning channels for like their washing machines, and I have never tried them because they cost an absolute fortune, and I just don't think anything is worth that much money, but these were half price this week, so I thought I'd go ahead and treat myself, try these out. I honestly have no idea about the quality of them or anything like that because I've never used them before. Let me know if you have used these and what you think of them though. But you will be seeing these over on my cleaning channel in the next few months, that's for sure. And then I have also grabbed at the back here some half price Easter eggs. So we don't grab those real little eggs for my kids for the egg hunt, because you guys know I'm always terrified of like them choking on stuff. So we grab at these bigger ones because they are like hollow on the inside, so it's a bit less of a choking hazard. And then we just sort of hide those around the backyard. But I grabbed 3 packs of those while they were half price, and I'll just stash them in there, sort of in the cupboard until Easter comes around. I also grabbed a big family assorted pack of biscuits. I don't know, I just feel like snacking a lot lately, so I just went ahead and grabbed a big pack of those. I also stocked up on the wipes this week, so I grabbed 3 boxes of those. They will last months. My daughter is toilet training at the moment, so she's the last one in nappies now, and yeah, we're not really using wipes as often, but we seriously use wipes for so many reasons around here. So I always like to make sure I have a huge stock of those at all times. I saw these Kids Smart Immune Defense chewables in the catalog for half price this week, so I went ahead and grabbed those. I think they were like $15 for that tub. I also grabbed some Listerine, we just ran out of that, and our usual A2 2-litre light milk. And then I also went ahead and grabbed 2 loaves of wholemeal bread for the week. I grabbed a huge lasagna here to have one night for dinner with that lettuce that I was just showing you before. And then I also stocked up on nappies. I just grabbed a huge pack of those. Nappies and wipes is pretty much where a lot of the budget went this week. It always costs a fortune when I stock up on those. I also grabbed 2 packs of the Belvita chocolate biscuits that my daughter loves for breakfast. And all of the like old El Paso kits were half price this week. I think they were like $3.50 a pack. So I got the Stand and Stuff soft taco kit. We love having these ones with like crispy cauliflower or crispy chicken and salad in that. And then in these mini taco kits, we will probably have like the normal beef tacos. Then in these crispy chicken ones, we'll just do exactly what it says on the box and make the crispy chicken with lettuce and some salad, avocado, things like that. And then this one we have never had before, the taco melt kit. So I'm excited to try that one out. I'm not sure sort of what we put in that one. It looks like just chicken and avocado, cheese, spinach. I love how these boxes have like the ideas on them. So there's not much thinking that needs to go into the dinners on these nights. I just need to go ahead and walk up to the shops with the kids, grab the few ingredients they need, and they get whipped together really quickly. But because they were half price, I just really went ahead and snatched up a bunch of those for the following month. I also went ahead and grabbed some croissants. This is something that I think we're getting into a bad habit of getting again. I grabbed a few last week and my son wanted them again this week, so I caved and grabbed them for him again. I also stocked up on the pouches this week. I got these apple, pear and cinnamon porridge for my youngest, and I grabbed a bunch of the vanilla yogurts for my 4-year-old. My 2-year-old absolutely loves these Table of Plenty mini rice cakes covered in the triple berry yogurt, so I stocked up on those for her as well. I think I got like 5 packets of those. But I am pretty sure that that is everything that is in this week's grocery haul. If you liked it, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below saying hi. And until next week, I hope you all have a really fantastic week. And I will be back here again really soon with a brand new video.